In this training video, we are going to look at managing your mobile app within the building level. So you see I'm logged into the CMS here. I'm going to click on Building Management over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to select this school. And then you see that I have all of my building options over here on the right-hand side. Now, what I'm going to select down here is Mobile App under Featured Content, and you see that it brings us to this mobile app menu. Now what this allows you to do is when you access the mobile app, all of the things that the district has set up is automatically going to show at the top of the app. And then anything that the building adds is going to show underneath what the district has added. So it's, you're going to see, if you open up the app, you're going to have district level, and then you might have the first school, the second school, third school. It just depends on how it's set up in the system, but depending on how it's set up is what order they're going to show in. And then when people scroll down in the app, they'll see your school's items, whatever you have added to the menu. So you see here that we already have one link added. Let's go in here and add something else. So we click on this add button. We have the option of a couple of different things. You have a web link, and that's pretty simple. You can go in here and put a title and a URL. And you can also put a subtitle. A subtitle is maybe just a small description of what it is. You also have the option to change any of the icons. So if you click on change right here, you see that it pulls up this list of icons. You can use this list, or you can upload your own from your desktop, whichever you want. Let's take a look at content. Now you see that there is content and content page. Content is basically, it's something that's within the system, within the app itself. It's not going to be pulling from anywhere. So you see that you can go in here and add a title and a subtitle and add content. It's not pulling that from anywhere. If you go in here and select a content page, this is where it's going to pull from one of your content pages you have set up. So you can go in here and put a title in. And then once you go down here to search, it's going to pop up all of the content pages within the district level and within your building level here. You can go in here and search if there's a particular content page that you want to link to, and you can link it off another building's content page if you wish. But if you have a particular content page set up for your building, you can search the name of it, and then you can basically select it, and it turns green, and you can click on Save Changes, and it adds that item in there. So that's how you add items to the menu. You also have the option to go in here and rearrange these in a different order if you want to. Just make sure you click Save once you've done that. You also have the option, of course, to go in here and edit them. You can disable them and re-enable them as menu items. You can delete them. You can change the icon or the title at any time, and you can go in here and add a subtitle if you want to. So again, it's pretty much control over your building level. Again, what's set up on the district level is going to show up first in the app, but then you have total control over your building level. Another option you have is to send push notifications to your users. If you have access to the building alerts area for your school, you'll notice that whenever you post an alert to your school's website, you have the option to send a push notification. Now you have the option just to send push notifications if you want to. So maybe if you have like a parent-teacher conference going on at your school that night, you can just send a push notification to parents reminding them of that. You don't necessarily have to post an alert on the top of your website and send that push notification from there. You can just do it right here. So you see the send push notification button. We're going to click on that. It brings us into this area right here. You're only going to have the option to select the schools that you're assigned to. So you see that we can select this elementary school. This 0 that's out beside it are the number of users that have signed up to receive push notifications for this particular building, so you know how many users you're going to reach with it. After you select your school, you can go in here and select an expires on, date, and time. The short message here, it's limited to 140 characters, so this might be where you want to put, don't forget parent-teacher conferences are tonight. And then down here in the detailed message, you can put more details, maybe, the times, why it's important for them to come out to parent-teacher conferences, things like that. And then down here towards the bottom, you click on the Send Push Notification button, and it's going to send that push notification out for you. That is the mobile app area of the CMS for the building level. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.